Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you record any call on your iPhone. So as you all know, there is no feature in iPhone to record any call. If I call someone, you will see nothing in this. Let me just call a number here. So what can I do? I just have to go on the App Store and download an app called Call Record here. Call Recorder. And then you can see the first option is call record app. You don't have to download the first one because it is sponsored and it will not give you results. Click on the second one here. You can see there's 4.3 ratings. You can just download it and avail it like this. It's shown in this photos. So just set up this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.